Welcome back to my channel, Beauty Spot. Do you want to look 10 years younger? Do you have dark patches on your neck and face? Don't worry, because today I'm going to show you a 3-step process that will remove any dark patches from your skin and will make your skin look healthy and glowing. Step 1. Steaming. You have to steam your neck and face. For steaming, you'll need a tub of hot water. Soak a towel in the hot water for a while and then steam your face and neck for 2 to 3 minutes. This will open up the pores and will help easily remove the dirt and dead skin cells from your skin. Step 2. Exfoliation. For exfoliation, we will prepare an exfoliating, moisturizing scrub. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda in a bowl and then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or coconut oil to it. Mix it very well so that the baking soda and oil make a consistency just like this. Apply this mixture on your entire face and neck using a brush, and then use your fingers to gently scrub your face and neck. Baking soda is not only a good exfoliator, but it also helps by slightly shrinking the size of your pores, thereby preventing dirt and other particulate matter from clogging it. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of baking soda for skin further help reduce the reoccurrence of pimples and acne. Being an excellent exfoliator and a brilliant brightening agent, baking soda has properties that could potentially make it your skin's best friend. Olive oil contains antioxidants that prevent premature aging. It moisturizes your skin, making it soft, supple, and beautiful. It contains plenty of vitamins that are beneficial for your skin. After scrubbing, rinse your face and neck with a wet towel. Step 3. Face mask. The next step is brightening. For this, you'll need a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder to it. You can even use Fuller's Earth if you don't have sandalwood powder. Add 4 tablespoons of milk to it and squeeze half a lemon in. Mix all of the ingredients nicely to get a thick paste like this. Apply this paste with the help of a brush to your entire face and neck. Sandalwood powder helps in fighting acne-causing bacteria, exfoliates the skin, soothes sunburn, removes suntan, and also reduces signs of aging such as dry skin and wrinkles. Milk will nourish the skin cells from deep within and keep skin moisturized all day. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid, so they can help brighten and lighten your skin when used over time. Let it completely dry and then remove it using a wet towel. You will notice your skin will become beautiful and soft. It will start to give a healthy glow, and when used regularly, it will remove dark patches, wrinkles, and make your skin look 10 years younger. I hope you liked my video. If you did, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!